Ready? Are we recording?
Yeah.
Hi guys, my name's Jake, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to install your brand new Japanese fake carbon fiber ashtray. Now walk with me. This one's a little bit of a doozy, but I promise the only tools you'll need for this one are going to be your hand, your key, and so what you want to do is, if you have if you have a remote, you want to unlock the car. Hear that? Then come around to the other side so we get a good view. Now, the cool thing is when you're inside, all you have to do is you take your thumb, you go like that. It's a pretty easy sweeping motion. And then you're just gonna grab this, so you can do 4 fingers on the top. Wow, look at that.
Pull it straight out.
Just pull it straight out, and from there, I mean, this is almost worth it just alone by how dusty this one's like dehydrated. So we could take this, and then you're done. Leave a like, subscribe. You can do, comment a ton of spam, and this is how you install an ashtray in your Mx-5 Miata. Probably the same for an NA. Who cares? MBs are better.